In this room today, we have about 2,500 marketers from leading brands and agencies here from 65 countries. Each and every one of you has the opportunity to shape the future of our industry. And this event is designed to help you do just that by connecting with your peers and colleagues.
This event is always one of my favorite moments of the year. We're really excited to be on this journey with you and eager to start sharing some of the newest tools and capabilities to take your marketing to the next level.
Having the ability to actually meet with product owners is always very valuable. Knowing what's happening in the next 6 months allows us to put it in our roadmap.
The next big thing is going to be vocal search, voice-activated searches, and all of that. So I'm very excited to see how that comes out this morning.
The Women's Leadership Breakfast really inspired me. It was so great to hear such personal stories from women in leadership positions and how they accomplish what they have.
The only thing I regret is that the rest of my team couldn't be here. I can't wait to go back to my organization and cascade all of the things I've learned about